Yes, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you top 5 best meme coins for this year mega bullion. These meme coins are bit high market coins, but still this coin has potential to be the next 50 to 100x potential this year mega bullion. So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. So friends, our first meme coin is NPC non-playable coin and base ecosystem. You can see friends, current price $0.014, pump by almost 22% here. Current market cap $118 million, $5.9 million trading volume in last 24 hours, 8 billion supply, all in circulation. This thing is good. That's all supplies in circulation. No more token left to come in circulation in future. Dump chances are low. And I can see friends, not just a meme coin, but working in NFT and hybrid token standards. So this is good. And we are 77% down the all time high, and it's still no listed on Binance Coinbase. Look, friends, you see Polnix is listed, Nogix has listed, Bilexi, BingX has listed this coin. MEXEL list this coin, and Get.io, Kuka, and CoinX are Bitget. Still no Bybit, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken for this coin. So you can buy this coin from Get.io or MXE. Both central exchanges links are already provided in description. You can check out both central exchanges. My price prediction for NPC coin is around $3 to $10 billion. Second one is SPX 6900, one of most favorite meme coin of Murad. This is Murad pick category coin, 1.6 dollars current price, pump by almost 18% last 24 hours, $1.5 billion market cap already for this coin, $97.6 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is good. 1 billion supply, 913 million in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem coin after that launched in Solana and Base also, but this is basically Ethereum coin. You can see friends, Bridge token, Murad pick category coin. So this is good. And all-time high was 5 days ago, $1.7. All-time low price was $0.001 1 year ago. Performance from this coin is amazing, but if you're not making investment right now in this coin, then we are already too high. You can see friends, only 3% down than its all-time high. So maybe you have to wait for a few days if it's possible that this coin can dump, and you can find this coin around $0.7 or $8. That can be good buying entry for this coin. These some central exchanges already list this coin. You can see as Kraken, Bybit, and Tabbit. CoinEx has also list this coin, and BTime has listed this coin. Already used central exchanges listing for this coin. And my price target, my price prediction for this coin is, at least friends, you can see SPX coin from just $1.5 billion market cap all the way up to 30 to 40 billion dollars market cap. Okay, because this narrative is amazing that this is Murad pick category coin and stock market theme. Okay, so this narrative is very unique, and maybe we can see this massive hype in crypto market. At that time, it's possible the SPX coin can hit all-time high market cap of 30 to 40 billion dollars. Third one is again best ecosystem broad pick category coin. Its name is Smoke. You can see friends, 10% pump last 24 hours. You pay 6 times $9 current price. Current market cap is 387 million only, and $22.9 million trading volume in last 24 hours. Best ecosystem coin after that launch in Ethereum also. Broad category coin. You can see friends, cat theme meme coin. 5% down then all time high. There was 0.504 coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. So awesome performance from this coin. And like SPX and NPC coin is still not listed on Binance yet. You can see friends, Kraken has listed, Bybit, Kukan has listed, Coinbase is listed, but it's still not on Binance. Maybe it's possible that we can see more listing on Binance. And in this year, meme coins mega bullion, it's really possible that we can see more from just 387 million market all the way up to 15 to 20 billion dollars market. My price prediction for Morg is at least 15 to 20 billion dollars market. Fourth one is Floki, one of my most favorite meme coin in this list. Okay, friends, you see 0.4 times $0.80. When all meme coin, they are still holding since 2021, and $776 million market right now, $64 million trading volume in last 24 hours, 10 trillion supply, almost all in circulation. Coin initial launch in Ethereum chain, after that on BNB. Sorry, I think first on BNB, after that on Ethereum, and not just a meme coin but working in gaming category, Telegram apps. Okay, so lots of use cases for this coin. We are still seeing 6% down the all time high, and coin has already killed 3 zeros since its launching. Okay, as I'll show you 2021, this was just launching here, already listed on Binance, Coinbase, Floki News. Mostly centralized and listings are done. My price target, my price prediction for Floki Nu coin is around maybe 30 to 50 billion dollars. Right now it's looking impossible, friends, but this is the meme coin market, this is crypto market. Everything is possible here, because in previous bullion we see all-time high market for Floki Nu coin that was around, I think, 3.5 billion dollars. So in this mega bull run, maybe you can see its market 10 times more than previous bull run. That will be around 30 to maybe 50 billion dollars here. Fifth and last one is Voyager coin. You can see, friends, Solana ecosystem meme coin. The 0.3 times your $42 current price, from almost 12% here, $29.5 million market, $1.4 billion trading volume last 24 hours, 69 billion supply, all the circulation, sorry, not on Solana but on Ethereum chain. You can see, friends, Ethereum ecosystem meme coin. This is good. Sent 9% down their all time high. There was 7 months ago. 700% up their all time low. They were 2 years ago. Performance from this coin is good. Still, this coin is not on Binance Coinbase yet. I can see, friends, MEXE and almost listed in a few central exchanges, but still there's no in tier one central exchange listing for Wojak. Wojak is low cap coin in this category. Okay, in this top five base meme coin, this is the, I think, lowest market meme coin, and I think we can expect high returns from this meme coin, because huge central exchange listing left for Wojak, and its market cap is just 29 million. Community is very, very active. Still, its trading volume is good. So I think Wojak has still potential to be the next one to maybe $5 billion market cap coin. My price prediction for Wojak is at least $1 to $5 billion.